Hello friends, this is Irma Sanchez-Klassen, your Avon representative, your Avon lady, and today I want to share with you a brand new product that is being introduced in our next campaign, which is campaign 12, and that's the Fresh Fiji sheet detergent. Guys, we have laundry detergent. How exciting is that? No need to go to the grocery store to get your detergent because you can order it directly from my website, directly from me, and deliver it to your front door, of course. So this product is amazing. I already tried it. Avon sent us these sample packets so we could try. Sent the representative some sample packets so we could try them out and give our review and share with you what we thought of it. And I thought they were amazing. They are super, super amazing. It's a lemon lavender fragrance and it smells so good. So this was one sheet. They come as a sheet like this, but I already perforated it. I should have waited, but so it comes like this, and it's got a perforation in the middle. And if you have a smaller load of laundry, you can use half. You can use, this half or this half. Doesn't matter, just one half. And I had a small load that I used, that I washed yesterday, and I used this part of the sheet. And let me tell you, it did a fantastic job. It did a great job. And the fragrance, when I took the clothes out of the washer, was not overwhelming. It was not overbearing. In fact, I could hardly smell anything on the clothes itself. So if you have a sensitivity to fragrance, I don't think this should be a problem. I mean, they smell nice coming out of the package, but the clothing, I could hardly smell anything. So they will come 30 to a box. Not a package like this, but to a box. And I think they should be individually wrapped. And they are 100% water soluble. And let me see what else it says here. 100% water soluble. And I had my notes right here. Hold on a second. Hold on. Yes, 100%. And you don't have to worry about spills or messes. No fuss, no measuring, formulated with 7 enzyme blend for better stain removal with baking soda and natural aroma oils for a fresh lemon and lavender scent. 100% water soluble, works in all washers for machine wash fabrics only. So when you put this in your washer, be sure that if you have a front load washer, be sure that you put this in the drum itself. Okay, drop it in the drum. Don't put it in that little dispensary thingy because it won't work that way. You need to put it inside the drum. Okay, so if you don't have to worry about the liquid detergent. Sometimes you miss or it falls to the floor. You have a big mess. The same with the powders. You accidentally drop it, and you have a big mess. This is mess-free, worry-free, compact. So if you're planning on traveling, hopefully you're planning on traveling. Hopefully we can travel this summer. You can take these with you if you plan on doing laundry. Hopefully you don't have to, but sometimes you do. You get in a bind and you have to wash clothes. So these are great travel companions if you want to wash your clothes while you're out of town. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. These are coming out in campaign 12, but if you want to order these now, I can order a couple of them for you right now. I'm limited to order 2 because they haven't come out in the brochure. I'll be happy to order those for you, but for sure in campaign 12 you can order as many as you want through my website or through me. I'll be happy to order those for you. So that is all I have for today. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Short and sweet video, and we'll talk to you soon. Be sure and come back and watch my upcoming videos on more new products coming out. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.